Beautiful spring evening. All the birds are out. My big magnolia's blooming. Sun is setting. Wow, there's a little girl with mommy. Here comes her brother, the instigator. I told ya. Everybody wants to look at the sunset. Right, Mommy? Hi. Hey, little brown guy. Little boy. He is always behind me looking at me, but he doesn't want me to touch him. Not like you, little girl, right? You come up to me. Yeah. You know your stick. That's Mama's stick, right? Oh. Yeah, is that Mommy's stick? Yeah. Wow. You're such a pretty girl. You look like your mommy. Oh, you like the birdie, huh? Yeah, he sees a birdie. She sees a birdie. Right there on the housey. Right there are the birds. Living in harmony with predators. You look so pretty. Yeah, you going by Mama? Okay. Wow, you are watching the birdies, huh? Wow, wee.